SKAGS, aka single keyword ad groups, are not that. Before you get triggered, let me introduce myself. I'm Jim. I've been running ads for over 10 years and I've been working in digital marketing agencies over 6 years now. And I've been running ads for Fortune 500 companies like Fraser's Property, Candela, Coca-Cola, New Balance, and much more. What are SKAGS? SKAGS are also known as single keyword ad groups. Back in the days, it was really popular, and now Google pushing broad match keywords, it is losing its popularity. And people think it is not as effective as it used to be. Let me explain why SKAGS were so popular back in the days. Let's say under one campaign we have 10 different ad groups, and each ad group have one specific exact match keyword. And for each keyword we have a dedicated landing page. Ideally, each keyword is going to lead to a specific ad copy, and that ad copy will specifically lead to a landing page. Let's imagine what happens now. A person is looking for a copywriting course, right? I have one ad group that says copywriting course specifically, and that exact match is copywriting course. And a person searching for copywriting course will see my ad, and my keyword is copywriting course, and my ad in the first headline is going to be copywriting course. What happens is super high click-through rate. And with this strategy, high click-through rate actually leads to higher expected click-through rate. And that click-through rate is going to equal to higher ad rank. With that higher ad rank, you're going to be able to bid less and get the #1 position. And let's cover why this strategy changed over time. With exact match acting like more of a phrase match, and phrase match acting more of a broad match, and broad match literally triggering every type of search term out there, the scenes changed a little bit. The main reason Google is pushing that is Google is actually telling us there are 8.5 billion search terms every single day on Google, and there's a significant portion of it, they actually give the number, 2,000 of them are brand new, and it's happening every single day. It's never been searched before, but every single day we're getting new search terms with the dialects changing, with new words being invented, new slangs coming up, and new products coming up. So Jim, why should that affect the impact of single keyword ad groups? Let me explain. The main purpose of Google is getting you spend more money. And with the smart bidding strategies becoming more relevant, more popular, they want to push those broad matches and leveraging AI to find those new possible low-hanging fruits. That's super clear and it's all fine by me. However, the main core principle of Google Ads is second price auction system. How the second price auction system works is you pay 1 cent more than the advertisers below your ad ranks divided by your quality score. So that's why the higher your quality score is, the less you're gonna pay. That's the whole Google auction, Google's machine learning, the auction works. That's the core principle of Google Ads. Regardless of the smart bidding, regardless of the AI, regardless of the broad matches, new matches that come in. So the main control that we have on our bidding, not the AI, it's not the keywords that we're using, is the keyword strategy that we're implementing. The strategy, if we use single keyword ad groups under one campaign, we're gonna have multiple ad groups, but it's the hard way, so people avoid that. It is easier to chunk all of that broad matches in one ad group. So under one campaign, you have one ad group with a bunch of different keywords, and those keywords are going to be triggering a bunch of different search terms, and you have a couple of ads that are kind of irrelevant. Let me tell you what happens with the new way of running ads. A lot of broad matches, less ad groups. Let me tell you how it works. Yes, machine learning is going to work. Machine learning will find those new search terms. In the short term, you're going to be maybe profitable, but in the long term, your click-through rate will decrease. Let's say you're running copywriting course and you have copywriting course as a broad match. This will trigger SEO course. That term will trigger, that keyword will trigger blog posts. That term will trigger digital marketing course. Imagine what is the likelihood of a person searching for SEO course is clicking on a copywriting course. If your ad is specifically written by copywriting course, digital marketing, blah, 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 and your price, that person is not likely to click on your ad. If I had written a specific copy for an SEO course, that person has 99% of likelihood of clicking my ad. If you don't design your ads like this, over time, your click-through rate will go lower, 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 and lower. Yes, you will trigger more terms, but your click-through rate will go low. And with the low click-through rate, your ad relevance is going to go low as well. Yes, your keyword is going to be in your ad copy. However, the search terms, what people are looking, is not going to be relevant to your ad. So is your landing page. And at the end, your expected click-through rate will go down, which is one of the most important things in the quality score. And at the end, your quality score will drop in the long run and your profitability will go down eventually. And if you were to go with SKAGS, aka single keyword ad groups, your quality score will be extremely high. Because imagine that click-through rate that you're only running for copywriting course, that specific keyword, and those people coming to your website is going to be highly, highly relevant. Your conversion rate is going to increase. That is going to impact your landing page experience. Your click-through rate is going to increase. That is going to impact your quality score. So you're going to pay less over time, and your click-through rate will increase. And compared to your competitors, maybe they've been triggering more words, more keywords. However, in the long run, your expected click-through rate will increase to the roof. Maybe you will average for 1 month 40% click-through rate, 45% click-through rate. What happens then? Google will prioritize you over your competitor because you have an expected click-through rate of maybe 40%, 45% compared to your competitors. Maybe they have 8%, 10%. And at the end, you're going to win in the long run. Yes, you're going to get less volume of traffic to your website. Google search ads is made for high intent search terms. You want to get those high intent search terms and let the top of funnel, meaning awareness stage of the things, be handled by Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and some other ad platforms. Maybe you can use demand gen campaigns, performance max campaigns on Google if you want to, or video ads, YouTube ads, but focus on those specific keywords, and SKAGS still have a great place in current Google advertising in 2024. And if you're still using SKAGS, please comment down below, because I know you guys are making some good money in the long run, and I know if you don't use SKAGS, it is not the end of the world. For some campaigns, some products, it is not viable and it takes a lot of time. I understand that. However, it is still a valid strategy, and I know this is going to trigger a lot of new Google Ads gurus, and comment down below. Let's discuss. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.